Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nehal Shah. In this video, I'll explain how to start working with Electric and LT-Spice. These are the tools which can be used for making schematic as well as for doing SPICE simulation for VLSI circuits. For using Electric, we need PC or laptop with JDK installed to execute jar file. You can download JDK from either java.com or from oracle.com. Electric VLSI design system is tool for backend design. You can download electric binary from staticfreesoft.com. LT-Spice we will use for SPICE simulation. You can download LT-Spice from analog.com. So first of all, you need to execute JDK. You can simply copy electric software in your C:*electric. You can install LT-Spice and you can copy technology model file into your electric folder. Just make sure that extension of technology model file is .mod. This file is available with this video, which you can simply use for making gates as well as CMOS circuits. This file is useful for using parameters of NMOS and PMOS for 180 nanometer technology. For starting electric, you can use command that is java space -jar space and then your file location. Either you can give complete path or you can simply use electric binary.jar. You can also go into Explorer, locate your file and double click your jar file. It will start electric. So now I'll show you from command prompt how you can start using electric. On my laptop in C:*electric, electric is already there. So I'll use command java -jar and I'll simply start my .jar file. If you receive this issue that Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, in that case, that is the sign that Java is not installed on your machine. So first of all, you need to install Java. Once Java is available, this command will start electric binary. Now my machine is ready with Java. So now I'll start electric. Go back to command prompt. Use same command. It will start electric on your machine. In left panel, you can observe parameters for creating circuit. In right panel, socket will be created and below you can find message window. You can adjust this windows so that whenever any error occurs or whenever you check DRC, your messages will be visible to you. We will go into File, Preferences. We will select this Tools, Spice, and we will do Spice setting. So we will use Spice 3. Spice level should be 3 and rest of the parameters will keep as it is. We will use header paths from file and by browsing we'll select SCMOS 18.mode over here. Click OK. Now we are ready to make any schematic. So in next video, I'll show you how to make CMOS inverter.